back to Artebula's Little Makers. Today we are making Galaxy Play-Doh. All you'll be needing is 1 cup of flour, 2/3 of a cup of water, half a cup of salt, tablespoon of oil, tablespoon of cream or tartar, some black watercolour, and glitter is optional. Put it all in a pan and get an adult to help you put it over a medium heat. When it forms a ball in the pan, take it out and place it on a safe surface. The safe surface could be a tray or a baking paper. Once it's cool enough, flatten it out. Watch out, it could be a bit messy. You can play with your dough however you like. I'm making mine a solar system. I checked out the NASA website and found out all the planets' names and how close they are to the Sun. Mercury is closest to the Sun. Then we have Venus, Earth and Mars. Then Jupiter. Then Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the biggest planet and Neptune is the furthest away from the Sun. It takes the Earth a year to go round the Sun. The Sun is the brightest object in the sky. It is also a star. I've added my house to planet Earth. Look, here it is. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Keep track of your science experiments in your very own portfolio in the Artebula app. Download it today from the Google Play Store or the App Store.